World Kindness Day is observed. In 1093, Battle of Army in an English victory. For the Scots, Malcolm Free of Scotland, his son, Edward Argyle. In 2013, for World Trade Center official offense. In 2012, a total solar eclipse occurs in parts of Australia and the South Pacific. Morning everyone, respected fathers, teachers, elder brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. I am Gauravi Baidu from class 4A and I am going to sing a song. Ujung aha ai mati sarana kaman utha baji jaya dhani paramanan ujung aha ai mati sarana kaman utha baji jaya dhani paramanan. Helpless and crushed, and we wish that we see things in a different way. We wish there would be a magic to change our lives. And what helps us? Hope. There is someone out there to help us find the strength to believe that hope is a possibility that can help us change the way we live. A very early morning to each and everyone present here. This is Mandir from class 4A. Someone beautiful said that learn from stars. Even in dark, they keep up like not disappear. Today I got an opportunity to speak on a valuable topic, hope. Hope is an incredible strength and protective factor that helps us survive. So hope is a wish for things to change for the better. And it is very important for us to look positively into our future. It contributes our well-being, happiness and motivates positive actions. But dear friends, I would say that we should hope for the right things and choose our battles wisely. With this, I conclude my speech. And from class 4A, so today's quote of the day is, everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Thank you. I would request our idol of inspiration, Reverend Father Augustine, to motivate others and speak for us.
Good morning to all of you. Class 4, they have the annual assembly and they have the annual. They appreciate class 4 able to go conduct the assembly confidently, nicely, well prepared, and all of them did a good job. And added to that, there was a beautiful and melodious song. So congratulations for all of them for the way they conducted the assembly. Was very good. Roots of education is bitter, but the root is always sweet. The roots of education is always bitter, but the root is always sweet. It refers to the process of education. As we know, the process of learning is always difficult, bitter. You need to work hard, you need to spend more time, and the end result will be always good. Something you see great officers or people who are highly posted in various departments and the like. And something we envy, the district collectors, great administrators, and all that. It doesn't, we look at them and appreciate them, but if you talk to them, they will share with you the number of years they have toiled so hard in achieving what they have achieved or reaching where they have reached. That means they were willing to do that extra work, and not only the process is will beneficial to us, it also teaches us quite many things in life. Like for example, if you are not very comfortable with certain subjects and you don't want to study that subject, but then since it's part of it, you work hard somehow and learn as a matter of necessity. You prepare and then you learn it, and the long process that will help you to face many other challenges.
Good evening, all. he was graduated with first class degree Vidyapith in 1926. Then he was given the little sunscreen of Bosconians. Today's word of the day is talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an intelligent person in this world. Said by Swami Vivekananda.
The song also part of it, so there's good so congratulations to the students who are involved in it and also the teacher. Students as we or we are most of us seen maybe the ships. Mostly the ships are not drowned by water that is around the ship. The ships are always drowned by water that is waiting inside the ship. So likewise, we should not allow ourselves to be things that are happening around us or allow those things that are happening around us let inside us. And once we allow many things that are happening around us within you, inside you, then that will weigh you down and that will pressurize you, that will make you to lose your focus and things like that. So that's why this is a good example. We can reflect about it. Ships are never drowned by the water around it, but ships are always drowned by water that is getting inside. So we should also be making sure actually whatever happens around us, not too much bother us, and should make sure actually we don't allow too much allow that is